Sanford Robinson Gifford was born July 10, 1823, died August 29, 1880, was an American landscape painter and a leading member of the second generation of Hudson River School artists, a highly regarded practitioner of Luminism. His work was noted for its emphasis on light and soft atmospheric effects. Although trained as a portrait painter, the first work Gifford exhibited at the National Academy was a landscape, in 1847. Thereafter, Gifford devoted himself primarily to landscape painting, becoming one of the finest artists of the Hudson River School. He was elected an Associate of the National Academy in 1851, and an Academician in 1854. Like most Hudson River School artists, Gifford traveled extensively to find scenic landscapes to sketch and paint. In addition to exploring New England, upstate New York and New Jersey, Gifford made extensive trips abroad. He first traveled to Europe from 1855 to 1857, to study European art and sketch subjects for future paintings. During this trip Gifford also met and traveled extensively with Albert Bierstadt and Worthington Whittredge. Another journey, this time with Jervis Mackenzie and his wife, took him across Europe in 1868. Leaving the Absentees behind, Gifford traveled to the Middle East, including Egypt in 1869. Then in the summer of 1870 Gifford ventured to the Rocky Mountains in the western United States, this time with Worthington Whittredge and John Frederick Kensett. At least part of the 1870 travels were as part of a Hayden expedition, led by Ferdinand Vanderveer Hayden.